Good evening and welcome to a special segment on the rich biodiversity of indigenous plants in Masai Mara. Today we explore the fascinating world of native flora that not only enhances our landscapes but also plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. Join us as we delve deeper in this segment.
Hello, my name is Audrey and I'm here with.
My name is Aaron Saningo Kweikai, the one in charge of seedlings production at the Model Tree Nursery. Thank you, Audrey.
Thank you, Aaron. Today we are here to learn about the importance of indigenous plants. So, Aaron, what are indigenous plants?
Indigenous plants are plants that occur at their natural habitat naturally without the influence of human activities.
Do you think there's a need to preserve indigenous plants?
Of course, I believe there is a need to preserve indigenous plants because they have become endangered species, and they are very important. They are very important in our daily lives and in our ecosystem.
Indigenous plants are vital to ecosystems, providing shelter, food, and oxygen while preserving biodiversity. They stabilize soils, combat climate change, and hold cultural significance, ensuring harmony between nature and humanity for generations to come. Aaron Saling, in charge of seedling production tree model nursery in Masai Mara University, provides a better
Behind
insight.
us, we have indigenous plants. So maybe explain to our audience what is this plant called and what is the importance of this plant.
Here we have a tree called Prunus africana. It is an indigenous plant which has been used by the local community here, that is the MAASAI community, to treat stomach-related problems. And also the tree is being used worldwide to treat prostate cancer. A research has already been done, and it is certain that it can be used to treat prostate cancer. Yes.
So which part of this tree is used medicinally?
Currently, the community is using the bark, of which we are discouraging use of the bark because continuously using of the bark will kill the plant. We are carrying out a research whether the leaves can be used, so that we discourage the community and any other person from harvesting the tree bark, so that we can preserve this tree. Yes.
And you've talked about preserving this tree, and I believe your aim as a person in charge of taking care of indigenous trees and the soil, how do you also preserve other indigenous plants?
The botanical garden acts as an orphanage for plants, because the plants that are here are the plants that are endangered. So we go into the community and recollect species of plants that are endangered, especially the indigenous, and then we come and bring them to our model tree nursery. We multiply, and after multiplying, we plant within our botanical garden, and also we supply to the community so they can also plant to increase the number of the endangered species.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that plants also have an orphanage. I actually knew that only human beings have orphanages. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, I have learned something, you have learned something, we have learned something, and we all have something to go with home. So, as we summarize, Saningo, what would you tell our audience?
I will tell our audience to stick into indigenous plants because, one, they are very resistant to diseases. Number two, they require literal minimal care for their survival. Three, they are very important in our medicinal industry.
Majina naitwa nani?
Naitwa Kevin Kamau Kamodho, pia mimi ni mkaazi wa hapa maeneo haya.
Sasa Kamodho, tulikuwa tunataka utuelezee watazamaji wetu the importance of indigenous seed. Kwako wewe imekufaidi vipi?
So hizi indigenous seeds vile naelewa, kwa kuelewa kwangu, ni zile miti ama zile mmea ya kienyeji, na mimi ni muhimu sana kwa sisi, hata kwa wanadamu, kwa kama dawa. Kuna kama hizi aloe vera tunachemshanga, saa nyingine tunapea watu wakiwa wagonjwa, hata wanyama kama kuku wakiwashikwa na ugonjwa tunachemsha, tunawapea, alafu wanapata hiyo matibabu. Kwa hivyo ni muhimu sana sana kabisa.
So ungeambia watazamaji kwamba wazidi kutumia mimea ya indigenous?
Mimi ningewaambia kwamba waendelee kabisa kutumia hizi mimea, wazichunge, wazihifadhi ili zisiweze kupotea, kwa maana zimetusaidia sana na bado zinaendelea kutusaidia.
Asante sana.
Asante.